Hi lovelies, I'm here to tell you, stop eating that fish. You're losing out on omega-3. I'm Hala, founder of Dietapplements. If you're into clean, pure supplements, our website is in the description. We have collagen for glowing skin. I take it. Biotin if you fancy thick hair. I also take it. Apple cider vinegar for your waistline, glucosamine for your bones, and maca for male and female libido. And of course, multivitamins. We're now having a little heart-to-heart about fish. I know what you're thinking. She's going to tell us to eat salmon again. No, I'm not going to say that. Here is a plot twist. Despite the fact that I do eat salmon every single day to manage psoriasis, salmon is not the best source of omega-3. Salmon gets a lot of good press. It's pink, it's tasty, easy to cook. But when it comes to omega-3s, these magical anti-inflammatory fatty acids that make you smarter, give you a strong heart, support your joints, mood, skin, hormones, salmon is not the winner. The actual king of omega-3 is mackerel. Best source on the planet, and surprise, surprise, it's not even expensive. It's £2.95 for 2 fillets. I often see it discounted to £2 or £2.40, and because I can't resist a bargain, I buy like 5 of them and freeze them. Mackerel is not a posh fish, but nutritionally it's royalty. Now, why does salmon pale in comparison? Let's have a look together. A 160 grams fillet of Atlantic salmon contains 3.5 grams of omega-3, while a 160 grams fillet of Atlantic mackerel, the same size, contains 5.1 grams of omega-3. That's over 45% more omega-3 in mackerel. And if you eat fish for your health, which I suspect you do, that's a pretty big deal. Now, how much omega-3 do we need for optimal health? Not for survival. We don't talk survival on this channel. You can't survive without us with no issues. We're talking optimal benefits, including reduced inflammation, improved mood and cognition, heart protection. We need 1 to 2 grams daily of omega-3, specifically EPA and DHA, which means mackerel has your back in abundance. And you might be wondering, why is it cheap while salmon is obscenely expensive? What's the catch? I'll be blunt about it, right? Mackerel smells really fishy, like absolutely fishy. The whole kitchen will smell like a fishing boat. The hub extractor will not be enough. You will have to open all windows. You will probably have to open the front door. Your children will complain. Your dog will probably love you. I stopped frying the fish, completely stopped doing that. I either put it in the oven with other savory stuff or in the microwave. I now put it in the microwave for 2 minutes and I'm okay, just to minimize the damage of the horrible smell. It tastes okay. It's not the most pleasant taste, but it's not bad, right? I would eat it any time of the day just for the health benefits. And here is the funny thing. For a month, I couldn't find any fresh mackerel in supermarkets here in Tunbridge Wells. I could only find the smoked ones. They are okay, not ultra processed or anything. I've got nothing against smoked fish, but I do prefer fresh. Then suddenly, boom, fresh mackerel at the supermarket. My interpretation is that it's probably down to low demand because mackerel is not as trendy as salmon. I've never seen it on MasterChef, for example. Okay, now it's time for honorable mentions, and they would go for anchovies, very rich in omega-3. You will find it in olive oil, lovely on salads. Sardines as well, they have almost the same omega-3 content as salmon, imagine this, and much cheaper. While salmon is now £9, I think, for 2 fillets, we underestimate sardines. We think just cheap, worthless fish. Not true. They are a little nutrient bombs. So, if you're a busy parent, juggling a million tasks and keen on keeping up with life both physically and mentally, adding mackerel even once a week can make a huge difference. But I know not everyone likes to eat fish every day, and sometimes life doesn't give you the time to grill mackerel. That's where supplements can be very useful. One I genuinely trust is from our lovely partners at G&G. Their omega-3 fish oil gives you a proper dose of EPA and DHA with 3 grams of fish oil. Link will be in the description. Now, if you found this little chat helpful, please click that lovely subscribe button for more practical, no fluff health tips. Stay well, eat healthy, and I'll see you next time. I have a little spark of news to share, please, with you all. We've just launched a brand new podcast. I know, everyone has one these days, but this one is closest to my heart. It's called The Visionary with Hala. It's a warm, thoughtful space where I host conversations with some truly wonderful doctors and health professionals. Together, we explore everything from nutrition and bones to DNA testing, sexuality, skin health, sports, lifestyle medicine, and so much more. If any of that sounds like your cup of tea, we'd love your support. The link is in the description. Just one little click on that lovely subscribe button, please. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.